Welcome to the Miele at Home video support series. In these series of support videos, we will be introducing the basics of home networking, covering various key components of a home network and its functionality. We will also be showing a new Miele at Home appliance setup, going over some Miele at Home features, showing how to perform some required maintenance procedures that will be necessary in order to keep your Miele at Home network and attached devices connected and operational. In this particular video, we will show you how to reset the Wi-Fi module on a TXI 680 dryer. The foundation for an effective and operational Miele at Home network is solely dependent on your stable, local area home network.
A basic home network starts with an ISP provider, which will transmit a signal to your modem and router combination. The ISP will provide you with access to the internet. This is known as a WAN, a wide area network. WAN is the technology that connects your home. It is called a wide area network because it spans beyond a single building or large campus to include multiple locations, spread across a specific geographic area, or even the world. Modem and routers perform different functions, and they may be separate devices within your network. But in most cases today, they are combined. This router-modem combination will reside on your side of the network, and the modem segment will basically convert the signal from the ISP to a signal that your PC and other devices will be able to understand. Part of a router function is it lets all of your wired and wireless devices use that internet connection at once, and allows them to talk to one another directly. This is especially important as new devices and appliances are added to your Miele at Home network. Another part of the router function is to provide more security to your devices and home network. LANs are simple networks that are used to connect computers and devices within a small area which may be connected via hard wire or wireless. Please note, a 2.4 GHz wireless signal from your router is required for Miele at Home appliances to connect. This network communication between your router and devices is called a WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. A router will also automatically assign IP addresses to all of your devices on your home network. An IP address, Internet Protocol address, is given to each and every computer or device on your network. The IP address is the identity of this device, similar to the address on a house that allows mail and packages to be delivered. Please note, when the router is installed, you are provided a temporary username and password that you should change for extra security. This username and password is how you will log into your network router for whenever you have to maintain and manage your home local area network. The SSID, Service Set Identifier, will be your unique home network name that is also provided when the router is installed. This SSID network name identifies your network, and can also be changed as desired. Some of the things the Miele at Home application allows customers to do, according to appliance type is: check current status of the appliance operation, choose and activate various programs. This is only if remote start is activated on the machine. Receive notifications when programs are complete or if a fault occurs. Access links for various cooking recipes. Access the built-in assistant for washability questions. Access a library giving a definition of terms. And much more. As mentioned earlier, there will be times when you may need to perform certain maintenance and procedures with the Miele at Home network and connected devices, if changes are made to your local area home network.
Every Miele at Home enabled appliance has a Wi-Fi module, which allows the machine to connect to your network. We will now show you how to reset this Wi-Fi module on a TXI 680 dryer. This Miele at Home Wi-Fi module reset is required if the network router was replaced, the network password was changed, the network SSID was renamed, the ISP, Internet Service Provider, was switched, or if the wrong Wi-Fi password was entered during setup. To complete the Miele at Home Wi-Fi module reset, start with the control knob in the off position. Now, rotate the control knob to more programs. The Miele welcome screen will appear, followed by time dry in the display. Start by pressing the up arrow, settings will display. Press OK. Language will now display. Now press the up arrow. Continue to press the up arrow until Miele at Home appears. Press OK. Now, press the down arrow until Reset appears. Press OK. Press the down arrow until Reset, Yes displays. Now, press OK to complete the Miele at Home modular Wi-Fi reset. When setup appears in the display, turn the control knob to off, and your reset is complete.
Please note, although the modular Wi-Fi reset steps just completed are similar from model to model, the display and steps may vary slightly. Please refer to the operating instructions for details regarding your specific model. When ready to go through the new Wi-Fi module setup, the Miele at Home app will walk you through the connection process. Please also check back on our Miele YouTube channel for additional product support videos. Thanks for watching.